Can you tell us your name, where you're from, and what you do?
My name is John Bauer, and I'm from La Crosse, Wisconsin. And I'm a student in La Crosse. I actually just graduated from my undergrad, and I'll be moving on to PA school eventually. Other than that, I also work on an ambulance in La Crosse.
Can you tell us which project you chose to volunteer and why you chose to volunteer in Tanzania?
Alright, so I actually got to do two projects. The first project was the HIV awareness, and I got to spend a lot of time working with the kids there. And then the second half of my trip, I was able to do a project, the medical and dental healthcare. And I chose Tanzania. I've always wanted to go to Africa, and that's basically why I chose to come here.
Nice. Can you tell us the most rewarding experience you had volunteering and the most shocking experience you had in Tanzania?
Well, I guess the most rewarding is definitely the kids at the orphanage. There's always a smile on their face, and it was great to be able to bring things for them, share our experiences, our knowledge with the kids at the orphanage. And then the most shocking thing, just the lack of sense of time, I guess, in Tanzania, which is kind of refreshing compared to like American style. Things just kind of go. There's a general plan of what needs to be accomplished, but not necessarily a time that it needs to be done in, which, like I said, is pretty refreshing.
Cool. Can you tell us a little bit about the accommodation and food, and if you have any advice for future volunteers?
So the accommodations were a lot nicer than what I had expected. I stayed in a volunteer house that had a couple of rooms to sleep in with bunk beds. There was also a TV, a stereo, plenty of room to sit around and relax. The food was wonderful. It was every day it was cooked by Saum, which was she cooked some great meals, both breakfast and dinner. We were able to have omelets for breakfast, multiple different meals for dinner.
Can you tell us what was your advice for future volunteers?
For future volunteers, just come with an open mind, ready to learn. In terms of the medical program that I did, it was great to see different ways that they were able to perform procedures with the lack of materials, but just come in with an open, accepting mind of the culture here, and you'll have a great time.
Awesome.